Your financial miracle and blessings will locate you today after saying this prayer. Receive it now. Congratulations. Your financial blessing is here. I speak into your life and common doors of wealth are opening. Divine resources are locating you. Lack and financial shame are over. You are stepping into abundance, overflow, and divine prosperity. You will no longer struggle to make ends meet. The heavens are pouring blessings on you today. You are chosen for financial favor. In Jesus' name, I declare, you are rising into a new season of financial glory. Every money that has been delayed is being released to you now. Helpers of destiny are being stirred up to bless you beyond imagination. You shall not borrow but lend to nations. Your bank accounts will overflow. Your hands are anointed for wealth. God is empowering you to succeed. No more dryness, no more emptiness. In Jesus' name, I decree supernatural provision to chase you down. You will wake up to good news. You will sleep and dreams of financial ideas will locate you. You will move from paycheck to prosperity. I cancel every cycle of rising and falling in your finances. You are entering rest. You are entering ownership. You are entering evidence. In Jesus' name, I speak multiplication over your money. That little you have will multiply into millions. Every seed you've sown will speak for you. Grace for wealth is upon you. I silence every voice of poverty and failure. Your hands will handle plenty. You will not work in vain. You will reap where you have not labored. The glory of God is making a way for you. In Jesus' name, I command divine lifting in your finances. You are rising into realms of wealth you have never known. Strangers shall favor you. The work of your hands is blessed. Your business is expanding. Every contract you desire is coming through. Every payment that's hanging is being released. Money owed to you is coming back in multiples. In Jesus' name, you are crowned with financial dominion. Angels of money are working on your behalf. The economy will not limit you. Policies will shift to favor you. You will be remembered where it matters. You will receive calls of congratulations. Miracle alerts are entering your phone. You will dance for joy. In Jesus' name, congratulations. Your financial miracle has landed. Money will locate you in ways you didn't expect. Resources will flow to you from the north, south, east, and west. The earth will yield its increase to you. You are divinely connected to wealth. From this day forward, you are financially unstoppable. In Jesus' name, I declare, you are no longer among the broke. You are now seated in abundance. Grace has repositioned you for wealth. This is your moment of testimony. Expect divine surprises. Expect overflowing money. Expect generational wealth. Your story has changed. Your congratulations has come. Receive it now. In Jesus' name, comment Amen to affirm, subscribe and share. Turn on your notification bell to connect with us.